have another question in regards to the good side of character traits. Midot.
Okay.
We don't have both a good and a positive and a negative side.
Mm-hmm.
For example, someone that has like a thirst for blood, he can be either a murderer or he can be a shochet or a surgeon
Mm-hmm.
or a warrior, depending on the situation, the scenario. So taking this into account, what would be the good side for someone that looks constantly for attention, someone that likes to get attention? Is there like some good side for it?
That's a very good question. So we always learn in Perkios that actually I have a Perkios today class that a person must be humble. So maybe just a thought. When personally, like, since it's negative trait to constantly look for attention, since this person breaks this trait, right? So he's going to get amazing reward. So usually people who wants attention, it's not for positive things. It's like they ready to do anything for attention, which is wrong, right? Or maybe I know. This attention, this thirst for attention, must be transformed completely. Because if it's only for attention, so people would, for example, they would learn Torah in order to teach because they want attention, right? So that's Perkei said, it's like using the count of the Torah, right? Or in any other field, right? So one of the things, I mean, maybe there is a positive things that you can attention. You use the attention for, but like from the top of my head, I don't have any good example how to use it. So, but for sure, like all of the books say that you have to be humble, you have to work on your humility, and the less people notice you is actually the better. So if they did not invite you, Baruch HaShem, so I have time to learn, and nobody is going to bother me, right? But all these people who the loud people say, oh, you come into this, you come into that, and then people come, I see in the shul, they come, I'm going to this wedding on Wednesday, and they go and try to Lakewood on Thursday and Monday and this Sunday. It's like too much. So they're so popular, they're so loud that everybody like feels they need to pressure to invite them, and like a person never learns Torah. So there are many rabbis. They're always available. Like, so how you like? But when exactly do you have classes? Yeah, I have 30 minutes class on Wednesday. 30 minutes. Like, what do you do there all day? I'm doing. You understand? So that's also not good. So attention is maybe there is a positive, but right? But if they don't notice you, they do not invite you, so nobody get offended that you did not come, because guess what? They did not know that you exist. You're there, you're in, you're out, and that's actually works very good for your relationships with HaShem. Maybe he should notice you, right? HaShem should notice you, that you're serious. Maybe that's hunger for attention. So HaShem, I said, you remember what I said? I'm going to pray one model, let's say, prayer with a kavana, with intention. That's what I do. HaShem, I'm going to do it. Notice me, like, look at me, right? Like children. Look at me, mommy. Look at me. I'm going to jump. Look at me, right? So okay, so maybe like this, constant attention from HaShem, but not from people. From people, it's negative. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Yes.